Hello everyone, it's Jarmise and welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been so long since I made a video, but here I am and we are doing a frontal wig install. So I already have my client braided and now I'm just putting some oil on the hair. The wigs are meant to be a protective style, so you want to make sure you are actually protecting the hair. Next, I'm going in with some alcohol. If you do not wipe off your alcohol, your wig will not stay, or it might stay, but it's going to be off within a week because the glue is not going to stick to dirty skin, excuse me. Next, I'm going in with the black bottle. The clear got to be gel just to make sure all of her edges are slicked back. We do not want glue in the lace. We do not want hair in the lace. And now I'm just going to be brushing them back. But yeah, you don't want hair to get tangled while you laying your layers of glue. Like, it's best to just keep this surface clean and clear as possible. So of course you're going to put on your cap. I like to use these darker caps on my darker clients. Now at first I used the beige caps for everyone, but I got this by mistake one day and I did it on myself and I was like, wow, this gives such a more flawless lay on the ball cap. Anywho, you cut the ear tabs and you just want to make sure that you have the cap where you want it. You don't want that thick band to be over where you're putting the glue, okay? Next, girl, go get you these LA Pro concealers. I literally have one in, like, I'm not gonna say every shade, but I have the total range because I need to be able to make the correct color that I need to that blends with my clients. So I made my mixture and I'm just brushing it on there. I like to use a fluffier brush to do this just because I don't know why, I just like it. And I also put the makeup on before I spray my cap down with the got to be glue because I also feel like it does better. No proven science. Whew. Next, I'm going in with my got to be glue spray. You will see me spraying it a little bit further than the edges just so if glue does get back there, it's a barrier of protection between the glue and your hair. Next, I made a mistake when I was doing this. Make sure your wig is detangled properly because I was playing and it was so nappy right up there in the front. But anyway, I'm just going through to make sure no lace is coming further than the wig. So I put the wig where I want it to lay, and then it should be no ball cap in front of that. If it is, cut it off because that's not gonna be cute. Once you get it where you want it, make sure the placement is correct because after this we're going to be pulling the glue, the wig forward on the glue. Okay, the glue we are using today is Kiss Almighty Bond. Now, of course, you have your bow holds, your ghost buns, your Erica J's, but this is one you can get from the beauty supply store right now, and it works just as good as the rest of them. So I've been using this lately, and I really like it. I gave my forehead another wipe with the alcohol just to make sure there's no makeup. Now, when you are doing this ball cap, you will see me smearing the glue right along the edge. You just want a little bit of glue. And you're going to press it into the head. Now, I use this little wooden applicator because it has like a little flat edge on it. And it helps me get into like the smaller parts of the, between the cap and the wig. But yeah, it's also good for this. And I'm literally just pressing it down. I want my layer of glue to be very thin. Like, through this process, you're going to see my glue pretty much dries instantly. And that's because I do my layers very thin. And that makes for a less bulky look at the hairline of your lace. When I lay my glue, I only do one side at a time because after I lay it and make it really flat, then like I want to, I always have extra glue left over, and I usually just take it to the other side like you see me doing now. Oh, well, I didn't have no left over right there, but you're gonna have some left over, so just do one side at a time. Don't try to pour out the whole bottle of glue. Like, less is more. Less is more. You make that thing thin as you can. Press it in. and it's gonna turn out right, I promise. Next, I'm just lining it up. Now you need to put your wig exactly where you want it to be. Do not try to line it up with the glue because that's a recipe for disaster. I'm gonna show you how to fill in the gaps, but lay your wig where it needs to be laid, not lining up with the glue. Okay? You need to press it into the okay, y'all, I didn't comb out my wig, the girl wig, before I put it on there, so please comb out your wig before. And I think I said that at the beginning, but comb it out. So I'm just putting my wig where I want it to be, and I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to gently comb it in. I'm not like smashing it into the lace. I'm not smashing it into the glue. I'm lightly pressing, combing, making sure it's stuck together, not smushed together. It's a difference, okay? And you want to make sure you press it to where the glue is. So if your glue is an inch back, you need to be pressing that far back with your comb. Don't just be pressing right there on the hairline because it's not any glue right there. Because remember, you put your lace where you want it to lay, not lining up with the glue. So you're going to have to fill in some spots, but those spots don't matter. Press in where the glue is, and it's going to be laid, okay? And while we're here, we got a little extra time. We have a little extra time. Make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram at Mr. Hair Maven. That's my hair page. And my personal page is It's Jarvis. Okay, back to the video. So my little wooden applicator, like, you need to get these. I'm filling in the spots where there were no glue. So I just take the end of that. I use a very, very little glue. I spread it out nice and thin. And then I'm going to put the lace down. And I mean, it's easy peasy, y'all. That's why I said don't worry about lining your glue up with your lace, because you're going to fill it in anyway. And it's going to be exactly where you need it, because we don't want no dry glue in front of your lace. Like, it's not going to come off. But take a second and look at this lace. Like, I had to freeze the frame because it's melted before it melt. Okay. Put that elastic band on there, and then we're going to straighten it out. Now, y'all, if y'all got some good hot comb places or good brands, send it to me, because my hot comb is ass. It's ass. I've been making it work, but like, I know I shouldn't be having to work this hard. So anyway, I didn't really record myself hot combing it because I have to do a lot. So leave the comments below. Leave y'all people, because your girl will be struggling. My girl wanted one curl, so that's what we gave her. And these one curls came out so freaking cute. So I'm going to show you one so you can see. You just wrap it like a regular one curl. You wrap it. And then, but the secret is you have to put a pin in. It has to hold the heat. It has to let go of it. I don't know what it is. But when you pin it, it come out beautiful. So I'm just going to pin it, and then that's it. If you need a longer one curling video, maybe you should go watch one. But boom. There are the curls. The color in these curls, boom, that was too cute. I didn't record my baby hair neither because my phone was running out of storage, so couldn't record that. But anyway, they came out cute. Her hair was a la aid, and I think I did the damn thing. So make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment below your hot comb vendors, because I need one. And thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna be here with these videos a lot more, because your girl then elevated in the world, okay? But yes, I've done a lot over the time, and I want to make like maybe a chit chat get ready with me to let y'all know what I've been doing. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Go follow my Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I love y'all. Bye bye.